they want to be your forever. Okay, I just received this message. They want to be your forever. This is a divine message with the number 5 and 8. So they want to be your forever. This is also coming in as number 3. Number 8 is very specific to some people. There is number 9. There is number 21, also specific to you guys. So 3 and 8, 888, 333 is coming up very strong. Okay, so now okay, so before we start the reading, if you're here and you also want them to be your forever, then yeah, this reading is, let's see, because I just received this message from divine. Okay, they want to be your forever. So let's say you're not speaking or you are in a relationship but you have not heard it from them. Let's see what your card says to you. Okay, now this is a genderless reading and this is a timeless reading. Any of you who think that personal reading is your option, book with me. Because personal readings, I have always told you that they have a specific, they are very specific to the one who is taking it. Okay, they're very specific to the people who are taking it, and you will get to know a lot. You will understand your problem, where it is coming from, and you can get a solution. I never give out remedies. I just give out special things to those people who are actually looking for something to start with. Okay, so in case you're struggling financially, in case you're struggling with your current situation, with love, career, you can definitely ask me for something that you can do. I don't provide any kind of remedies, so make sure that you like, if you're booking for remedies, I have no remedies for you. I have just simple things that you can do and change the way you look at life, or maybe the life is treating you. Okay, now push, yeah, first you subscribe and then you push the notification bell icon. Okay, so that you receive all my videos whenever I post them. All right, so guys, let's start your reading without further ado. Let's see. They want to be your forever. They want. There is the Ace of Pentacles. I told you there is number 3 and 8 coming. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, that's the number first card for you. I'll just take it. Right. They really want to offer you something. I don't know, but they really want to offer you something. Like, I feel like someone's want to be with you. Look at that. A fresh new start with the Fool card and the number 1 card. It's for you. Okay, they want to be your, I see that they feel the sun is shining on them now. I feel that now they're feeling that you can, if they come to you, you can talk to them, you can say yes to them. Okay, they still have not thought about too much or about you. Like how are you going? Look at that. There is Ace of Swords. Yeah, so all they're thinking about is having a fresh new start, having a fresh new conversation to approach you. How they're gonna approach you, I will let you know, but they're gonna propose to you. They're gonna talk to you about certain things, because these and these two cards are aces, and when you're actually thinking of them, when you're getting readings on them, yeah, they are thinking of you. And I just think that this conversation has not happened yet because of the Fool card. I think that this is the situation. Both of you are now coming up from your personal lives, personal pasts, and like past mutually and past your personal past, right? You're coming up from that. You're going ahead. And I feel that this is what the Fool card is, that they feel like the sun is shining on them again and they can take a leap of faith towards you. I don't know what's happening. They're like they see you as this carefree person. They see you as this, mast mola type of person. And I just have that word, mast mola. You are more like a free soul to them. Like you are in your happiness a lot. So yeah, maybe you are taking a leap of faith towards your life, and they feel like you're going to say yes to them. Maybe you can speak to them if the things were so bad that you guys could not speak, that you never told them spiritually that yes, if you come, I will talk to you. I will talk to you with the things with them spiritually. They feel like you have moved on, and happily you're happy where you are. And then there's the hangman. Yeah. If this gives you any satisfaction, if this gives you any satisfaction, they've been waiting for you. All this while, they've been waiting to have this new fresh start with you. They feel like you help them be rooted in their life. Oh my god. Look at what it brought me. I have only like 5 cards here. The first card is Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Hangman, and the Fool card. And this all says triple one for you. This all says if numbers 0 and 12 hold any importance for you, these are for you. I mean, specifically number 12, number 0, number 1. You could have strong. So I have specifically, I have earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I have fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for you. And I have this air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius for you. Or maybe it could be from them. Oh my god, I just see them giving you a lot of growth and love together. Where is this reading going, god? They want to be your forever 20, forever 21. Like they want to be yours. I just saw this forever. This is more like 4 of cups and 5 of swords. Where is this conversation going? Where is this reading going, god? The Chariot. Where is this reading going? One more card, please. And the Page of Pentacles. We have the 9 of Pentacles. Okay. Earth signs, you're coming up very strong. I have Cancer also here. I have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So I have told you all of the signs that are there. Okay. We have earth signs very specifically. We have air signs very specifically. Okay, so earth signs, this reading could be, resonating with you. If you, yeah, so this person is coming. Why is this 5 of Swords here, God? Why is this 5 of Swords here? There is this card here, 6 of... Oh my god. I just have this feeling that, oh my god, this is Ace of Cups. I have all the aces, guys. I mean, this reading is gonna blow your mind, your heart, and you will be like, what is happening? Because this is happening for you. This is a Mars energy. I just received. There is a star. Oh my god. Like you are getting your wind back. You are getting your wind back. You're getting your how do I tell you this? I mean, if you're here, it's not a coincidence. It's if you're not able to believe that yes, they're gonna contact you, it's like everything they have manifested you. I just think that they have manifested you because in the Magician card we have all the elements together. Okay. And we have Ace of all, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. See, I'm gonna tell you this point blank. They've been waiting for you. They've been waiting for you. They have been thinking about you a lot. Now there is this kind of conversation where your spirit guides may have given them this kind of confirmation that yes, this is this can happen, and move forward to this person, to my viewer. Okay, so if you're watching this reading, I would just tell you that they are coming to you, and they are coming to you with all aces. Oh my god, they're coming to you with all aces. I just think that they have manifested you. I have never seen all aces in a reading ever. They're coming to you with all aces. They manifested you. I mean, they just manifested you. There is page of pentacles. I saw 9 of pentacles in this reading. There is a there is a divine alignment to this person that is happening. There is a divine alignment between the two of you, and I see the Fool card. The new beginning is here. I see that you may have changed your focus from this person. And why? Because I feel that as soon as you changed your focus, you changed your life, you changed to stop looking at them, they are there. So these two cards are like this, right? You are going in a certain direction, you're going away from them, and they are coming to you. This is what I see. Okay. Maybe there is something changing. They are gonna give you with a lot. They are gonna give you a lot of priorities. They are gonna give you a lot of, you know, how do you tell, respect, when you finally understand someone's worth, right? And you can't tell them on their face, so they can't tell you on your face that how worthy you are. I just feel that you are so worthy. You're so worthy, because it's an Aquarius card. It's a star card. Okay, you could be an Aquarius, you could be a Cancer, or your person could be a Cancer, because this is how it is. Okay, this is a Cancer energy. Okay, I have this feeling that, see, first of all signs are there. All signs are there. So this reading could be specifically for a lot of people, like a lot. What I see, where I see is that, see, I just saw 1, 2, 3, 4, and where I see this reading going, there is going to be love in the air type of, where, see, I'm a reader, right? So I am getting a lot of vibe from this environment, and the environment says a lot of love vibe is there, a lot of new start vibe is there, where I see 2025. It's also number 5 card, where you would be feeling this person is gonna give you all the, negative feelings and all the anger in yourself. It's not the it's you What you're doing is, you are not giving this person anger anymore. Even if they visit you, you're not giving them anger anymore. Okay, even if you have this in your mind that, whenever this person comes to me, I'm gonna say angry things to them. I see that. No, but you're changing your ways. Instead, you're keeping your anger to yourself, you're changing it, you're healing it. I see healing it. Okay, now uh, you are telling them, showing them, you know what, I'm already victorious. So I see you, someone who has a spiritual background to you. You could have this spirit team, ancestors working for you, or maybe they have, and they are giving you all the best that they can. And I feel that. Okay, now there is something that this person cannot tell you. Okay, that they can't tell you that how worthy you are. I just want to tell you this because you have waited for them. See, I told you they manifested you. They did. They did. They manifested you. I have all the aces cards. I have never done a reading like that. So if this reading is for you, you are blessed. You're more than blessed. This is 1444 on the screen, and I see you're getting all of your potential, and this is why they want to be your forever. I just feel this is why they want to be your forever. And I let me tell you this, you give a lot to this relationship, okay? Now you waited for this person also. Inside of you never told them that you were waiting for them, but yes, and they never told you, but yes, they were waiting for you. Okay, this is what their cards have come up. Now I want to tell you this. They can't tell you how worthy you are, but still they want to keep giving you that kind of respect, like if you are dealing with someone who was doing the bare minimum for you in the back, in the past, right? In the past they were doing the bare minimum for you. I just feel that this person is trying to tell you that how respectful you are, how creative you are, and they want to find out new ways. They want to find out new ways um how to give you that respect that you deserve in a relationship, or maybe you need that, you want that kind of respect in a relationship that you have always looked for and this person never gave you. You deserved it, okay, and this person never gave you. And just because I see that you gave a lot in this relationship, you also have waited for this to happen. And I see them they manifested you. I told you there's a magician card and everything. Yeah, it came because in the background they manifested you. They have had to go through a lot of trouble. They have had to go through a lot of trouble, and I think they have found this particular time that they are gonna contact you. Let's see when they are gonna contact you, okay? I don't know why I had this question, and I'm asking why. So when they are gonna contact you, there's a strength card. We have number 5 and 8 again. Okay, they can't find anyone else. It's not that they want to talk to you and they want to make it very happy thing for you. No, that's not giving them the satisfaction that they can approach you. No, what's giving them the satisfaction is that they have this feelings that they want to convey to you. So to be able, see, there are so many crackers. They're gonna contact you. If you have this amazing reading and you're watching it till now, they are gonna contact you. And this is, it's not giving them the satisfaction that they can talk to you finally, that they can give you the surprise, that they can, but no, there is this person who is in their feelings. They can't go to anyone. They had so many disappointments if they have moved on with someone else in the past. They just want to be, when I asked this question, when are they gonna contact you, it's more like they give me a sad face. Like this tarot reading gave me a sad face. And why? Because they are saying that I have a lot of feelings and I want to be able to talk to you. And there's a strength card, number 8, and infinity is coming for you guys. Let's see when are they gonna contact you. Dude, who are you? Dude, oh my god, look at that. Look at those 3 cards. Happy family, 10 of cups, marriage, the sun card, the best card in the tarot, okay, and the hierophant, a marriage again. You know it. You know that this is happening. Your marriage is happening, and the confirmation is the sun. Your intuition tells you this, that you are gonna get married. It's not you can get married, you are gonna get married. Okay. So I don't know. Okay. Then I have 2 more cards. There's a 4 of Pentacles and the Death card, which means that 1919 is there, which is the Sun card again. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. There's the Sun card. 1919 is there. Okay. So I just feel that this relationship is going to be stable. This marriage is going to be stable because you guys are moving on. You guys are having your transformation, this death and the rebirth card. When something ends, there is a new thing that happens. Okay. I just want to tell you that be focused on yourself, no matter if this person is coming or not, no matter how long have you waited. But I just want to tell you this, that you are already, showing them that you're leaving, and you're showing them that you're already a winner. You're showing them this. You are letting your own respect speak for you. You're letting your own energy speak for you. You have done some kind of healing, I think, in the last week. Okay, I don't know. You've done some kind of healing to get away from this person, and as soon as you're getting away in your happy zone, they are giving you all their love. This is what's happening. So yeah, if you have waited, I want you to think about where you have taken your time to yourself. That's all. Okay, that was your reading, guys. I really can't speak today. And I wish you all the best. I wish that all of your relationships come to a happy meeting, happy reunion, whatever that you guys have been thinking about. I hope that the best and the positive happens for you. Good luck, all the best to all of you. In case any of you is trying to book with me, and you can contact me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. And guys, I never comment on your comments. I never reply, okay? So beware of the fraudsters. Plus, like my video, share this to anyone who wants, who may need this, and subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Lots of love. I will see you in my next reading or in your personal session. Bye bye.